Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most breathtaking luxury homes across the world. And today, we're bringing you something truly extraordinary, a stunning black and golden ultra-modern mansion that blends bold architecture, flawless design, and luxury living all in one masterpiece. From the moment you see this house, you'll understand why it stands out as a perfect blend of elegance and power. As we start our tour, let's begin with the drone day view, capturing the full glory of this architectural giant. The black exterior shines under the sun, while the golden accents wrap around the building like jewelry. This mansion doesn't just sit on the property, it dominates it, with its dramatic lines, tall glass panels, and a design language that instantly communicates wealth, exclusivity, and world-class craftsmanship. The aerial view reveals the entire estate layout, from the wide driveway to the beautifully crafted backyard with a swimming pool and lounge area. As the drone moves closer, we glide down toward the grand entrance, where the double-height doorway stands proudly, finished in matte black with brushed gold trimmings. The entryway is wide, elegant, and welcoming, and the moment you step inside, the atmosphere transforms completely. Warm lighting, flawless textures, and high-end surfaces bring the interior to life. The entire foyer is designed to make an impression you'll never forget. Polished floors, golden detailing, and artistic lighting create the perfect balance between luxury and modern comfort. From here, the house opens into the main living room, a massive open concept space showcasing black and gold interior elements, premium furniture, and floor-to-ceiling glass walls that flood the room with natural daylight. The combination of glossy surfaces, soft lighting, and minimalist decor makes this living room feel like a five-star luxury suite. The textures, materials, and color harmony speak the language of sophistication. Whether you're entertaining guests or spending quiet evenings with family, this space elevates every moment. As we continue through the home, the layout flows smoothly into the dining area, featuring a modern dining table with a black marble top and golden legs. Above it hangs an elegant chandelier that adds a warm glow to the space, making it perfect for both formal dinners and casual family meals. The atmosphere is classy, intimate, and beautifully planned. Right beside it is the luxury kitchen, a showstopper in black and gold. Premium appliances, soft closing cabinets, marble countertops, golden handles, and under-cabinet accent lighting create a chef's paradise that blends functionality with high design. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a large gathering, this kitchen delivers perfection in every detail. Moving deeper into the home, we explore the bedrooms, each crafted with comfort and style. The master bedroom is a retreat of its own, a king-size bed framed with golden detailing, soft amber lighting, minimalist decor, and a calm environment that promotes relaxation. Floor-to-ceiling glass provides stunning views of the outdoor area, giving the room a luxurious hotel suite feel. The guest bedroom continues the same black and golden theme, offering premium comfort for visitors while keeping the design cohesive throughout the home. Next, we move into the bathrooms, which elevate luxury to another level. Black marble tiles, golden fixtures, glass shower walls, and soft LED lighting combine to create an ultra-modern spa feeling. Every corner is built with precision, from the floating vanity to the rainfall shower. Every detail makes you feel like you're inside a luxury resort. The tour continues into the TV lounge, a cozy and modern space designed for entertainment and relaxation. With a large LED screen, plush seating, and golden lighting accents, this room provides the perfect environment for movie nights or quiet family time. The interior design perfectly matches the theme of the house while creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Next, we enter the private gym, a fully equipped fitness area designed in the same black and golden aesthetic. The lighting, mirrors, and equipment placement create the perfect environment for workouts without ever needing to leave home. Finally, we step out to the swimming pool area, one of the most attractive features of this mansion. With black tiles, golden LED accents, and a calm modern layout, the backyard offers an oasis of peace. Whether it's for relaxation, parties, or evening gatherings, the entire outdoor area has been designed with luxury in mind. This black and golden mansion is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. A statement, a dream fulfilled. If you enjoy luxury home tours like this, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more breathtaking properties every week.